Royal Enfield Meteor Best Cruiser Motorcycle for Beginners. The world of motorcycling is a universe of exploration, freedom, and the thrill of the open road. For beginners stepping into this captivating realm, the choice of their inaugural motorcycle is a decision that shapes their path. The Royal Enfield Meteor, with its blend of accessible power, timeless design, and cruiser comfort, stands as a stellar choice. With its distinctive performance, classic aesthetics, and rider-centric features, the Meteor invites novices to embrace the cruiser lifestyle and set forth on a celestial journey. Harmonious performance and approachable power. At the heart of the Royal Enfield Meteor lies a refined 349cc or 649cc single-cylinder engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and ease of use. This engine delivers a smooth and approachable performance, enabling beginners to experience the joy of cruising without being overwhelmed. Cruiser comfort and rider ergonomics. The Royal Enfield Meteor is thoughtfully designed to prioritize rider comfort, offering a relaxed and inviting riding position that characterizes cruiser motorcycles. The low seat height, forward set foot controls, and wide handlebars create an ergonomic setup that ensures comfort during long rides. Timeless cruiser design and classic aesthetics. The Meteor captures the essence of classic cruiser design with a touch of nostalgia. Its clean lines, iconic contours, and distinctive cruiser styling reflect the timeless aesthetics that cruiser enthusiasts appreciate. Novice riders not only experience the joy of cruising but also embrace the style that defines cruiser motorcycles. Smooth handling and rider-friendly maneuverability. The Royal Enfield Meteor offers smooth handling and rider-friendly maneuverability, making it well-suited for novice riders. Its well-balanced chassis and nimble characteristics contribute to a stable and confident riding experience. Safety features and riding confidence. Safety is paramount, especially for novice riders. The Royal Enfield Meteor comes equipped with features like dual-channel ABS, anti-lock braking system, enhancing braking control and stability. This feature provides novices with an added layer of confidence as they navigate different road conditions. Urban and scenic cruiser experience. The Meteor's versatility makes it ideal for both urban commutes and scenic rides. Novice riders can seamlessly transition between city streets and open highways, all while savoring the comfort and style that the cruiser offers. Community and rider connection. Enthusiasts of the Royal Enfield brand form a tight-knit community that warmly welcomes beginners. Joining this community provides novices access to shared experiences, valuable insights, and connections with fellow riders who share a passion for the Meteor's cruiser lifestyle. Skill growth and riding mastery. The Royal Enfield Meteor encourages skill development as beginners build confidence. Riders can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, fine-tuning their riding techniques and fully embracing the cruiser experience. Long-term riding satisfaction. The Royal Enfield Meteor isn't just a novice's choice, it's a lifelong companion for the cruiser journey ahead. Its comfort, performance, and brand heritage ensure that riders can continue to enjoy the Meteor as they evolve from beginners to seasoned cruiser enthusiasts. Conclusion. The Royal Enfield Meteor represents Royal Enfield's commitment to delivering an accessible and timeless cruiser experience for beginners. With its harmonious performance, classic design, and dedication to rider comfort and safety, the Meteor offers an immersive introduction to the cruiser lifestyle. By choosing a Royal Enfield Meteor motorcycle, novices embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill enhancement, and the embrace of a cruiser community that shares their passion for leisurely rides and the endless wonder of the open road.